walk around. What do you think? This little place here was named after my namesake, Sandy Key.
165, Sand. 165. Okay, guys, so here's where our AIS comes into play. So this guy shows up and he's traveling across at 12 knots, and our CPA was a half a nautical mile. No problem. I diverted a bit. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Our CPA was a quarter of a mile, and I diverted to make it a half a nautical mile. I just don't need any in case they're drunk at the helm. I don't know. And nobody's navigating the boat. I don't know. Look, guys. Breakfast. It's magic. I just turned away. I turned away and it just showed up here. I don't know. I don't know if it happens to you guys or not, but it happens to me. Life on a magic boat. It's actually turning out to be a nice day for a sail, I must say. Yeah, we're clipping along, actually pretty fast, but guys, these are some of the spears that we carry on board. One with this kind of tip on it. This is great for lionfish and just stabbing things. 3 prongs. Small fish, actually. We've even stabbed a lobster with this. Yeah. They're about, well, they're about over 5 feet long, and they come with this rubber band. I set it up where with the electrical tape, where we bring it up to the rubber band and then let go and it fires off. It's called a Hawaiian sling. Then we have this one here, which I use a lot, and this is about 6 feet long. Again, it's got my electrical tape here, so I bring up my band much stronger and then let it fly. But this tip is for no mercy. Okay, so we just shoot the fish, it goes right through, and this pops out, locks it, and the fish just stays on this side. Sometimes it goes in their body, but yeah, it's a pretty good one. There are lots of other types, but that's what we have on board. We have several of these, probably about 6 or 8 spears, because we may lose one. You know, I may get one stuck under a rock, and it might just be too much of a shitty situation, and I'm not even about to retrieve it. I drop it in a depth that I can't get to. Oh yeah, we just snorkeled this area. I missed a lionfish. Now that's pretty hard to do. Lionfish are not very fast, and this one got away from me. I can't believe it. That's kind of funny, actually. Yeah, that shouldn't have happened. This lifestyle is hard on couples too. Okay, I mean, like, you know, there's no doubt about it. We argue. I mean, like, you know, some of this stuff that, you know, you guys may think it's funny, but I'm telling you, we argue about it. It's like, especially anchoring. I think we're coming to the conclusion. We never thought we would have had to do this, but we're gonna have to get headsets.
We need headsets because
to talk from the front, because she's, you know, I'm giving out instructions and she can't hear me, and I can't hear her, or she doesn't want to hear what I'm saying. I don't know, like she thinks she's the captain or something.
No, it's just again, you're having 2 different perspectives of when you're anchoring. I'm at the back and he's at the front, and what I'm seeing behind me, he can't see. So, and vice versa, I can't see what's going on up front either. So it makes, you know, if we have an issue where I'm saying, you know, drop the anchor now, he can say nope, and this is why, keep going, or go port or starboard.
Or walk the plank.
So that's something we're gonna get, are the headsets, so that we can speak clearly so that we both understand.
But you still have to follow instruction, hon.
Oh, I can follow instruction.
Okay.
That's not the issue.
Oh my God. Guys, we just want to thank you guys for following along with us. And we're enjoying our trip. The weather is way better here.
And back home in Canada.
Oh,
yes.
You poor buggers. I'm so sorry. But, you know.
And we're enjoying a little afternoon time at a place that was named after me.
Yeah, we're at Sandy Key.
Sandy Key.
Yeah.
And it's a really pretty place.
Very pretty.